सर കാണാനല്ല സർ മുന്നിലേക്കോ കാണാനില്ല സാറിനെ കാണാം മേഡം സൈഡിലേക്ക് മേഡം ഇപ്പുറത്തേക്ക് അപ്പുറത്തെ സൈഡിലേക്ക് ബാക്കിലാണോ ഒന്ന് ബുദ്ധിമുട്ടാ ഓക്കെ താങ്ക് യു
Yes. Yes. So yeah, as a part of our preparation for the local body elections, printing of the postal ballot papers and making them reach each of the districts, that is a very important step. So today symbolically we had the inauguration kind of ceremony in which the ballot papers which have been printed, it has been printed for Idukki district. For Thiruvananthapuram it is ongoing. We will receive that also shortly. That was symbolically handed over to me, being from the district where it is already getting printed. We also had Idukki RO with us. So things are going smoothly, and I'm happy to share that despite SIR work as well as the local body election work parallelly happening, the teams across and the entire staff has been working tirelessly to make both the ends meet for both the processes.
Not only BLO,
Yeah.
district collectors and other officers are also in work pressure, right?
Definitely, definitely. So it is a team activity, and it has to be undertaken by each one of us. And our field worker, the person who works on the field level, at the bottommost level, is our BLO, who goes from house to house. Yes, I do understand that they were also under a lot of pressure, still are, because it is a time-bound activity. And not just that, in Kerala, specifically in Kerala, because we also had the local body elections happening parallelly, so we did not get the anticipated kind of support from the BLAs, the agents. Therefore, it became all the more difficult for our BLOs who were placed. Most of them were new to the places. So for them to find out, identify the houses and all, it was slightly difficult. But I'm happy to say that in Trivandrum, we have distributed around 92% of the forms. 8% which are remaining mostly are the cases which are of untraceable people. And for that, we are reaching out to all the associations, resident associations, flat associations, and the agents to please come forward and help us in spotting these people, because ultimate objective is no eligible person should be left behind. And yes, there was pressure. However, I would want to place on record that so many volunteers have come forward, college students and our civil services aspirants, and they are again tirelessly sitting with the BLOs who are working day and night, and the impact has been really good. For example, today I met a couple of BLOs and they were saying, "Madam, just a few days back, till a few days back, we were under the pressure. How will we meet this timeline?" But now with the volunteers stepping forward to help them technically in the digitization process, they are now so relieved. They are saying that now we are confident by 28 we'll be able to finish off most of the activity.
I'm seeing a status, a lot of BLOs has been completed in the time bond that are given by the Election Commission.
Yes.
So how do you see those people?
Yes. So quite a few of these are experienced BLOs, those who have already worked on the field, and they already know the status of people who resides where. And then there are BLOs who have very meticulously planned. For example, at the time of distribution itself, they were taking the pre-filled forms, getting it signed, and on the spot they were collecting it back. So that kind of meticulous planning has also helped a lot. And then there are booths which are smaller in size. So obviously there lesser effort is involved, and all these type of cases, the BLOs have they have worked hard a lot, finished off distribution, finished off collection, and finished off digitization in fantastic time-bound manner. Like we had our first 100% digitization by around 22nd date itself.
In some places, especially in Alappuzha and Idukki, there are complaints against district collectors as well. Taking a lot of pressure, but I didn't
Okay.
see any complaints from Trivandrum. So how do you manage
Okay,
all those?
I have been taking a lot of pressure. I also had to hear a lot from the senior officials, because particularly when the urban constituencies, our numbers were not improving because our BLOs were not able to spot the people. So yes, pressure was there, but our modus operandi was that it should not be just brutal pushing. that you have to do, but instead of that, talking to them, okay, what is preventing you from performing nicely, efficiently? Most of the people, in terms of digitization, they mentioned that they were not really aware of the entire digitization process. So we conducted trainings for them. We conducted hands-on digitization camps wherein the volunteers are sitting, our technical assistants are sitting, and they're helping them digitize, say, initial 100 of their forms. The initial wala 100 ched karina, after doing the initial 100, they're getting that confidence ki we can do it. So thankfully things are going fine. Let us hope that all our BLOs who have been working really hard, they are able to nicely, peacefully complete the entire process, and there's no unfortunate incident. Let nobody buckle under pressure. We all work as a team, and let us successfully complete it. Yeah.
Some school students, especially in
Yes.
NCC and cadets,
Yes.
have been
Yeah.
asked to be a part of
Okay.
this process.
Yeah.
So right now, education minister is saying that the
Yeah.
concerns over like students
Right.
falling really need
Yes.
to study.
Yes.
So how you react to all this?
Yeah, so, respected education minister had given me also a call, and he was saying that children are going to have exam in the next week. So next week onwards, since they have exams, so their study should not be impacted. So yes, we do take note of that, and the way I want to respond to that is most of our volunteers are college students, and within college also second and third year students are having exams. So it is mostly first year students who have come forward. Secondly, it is a completely voluntary activity. So the students who do have time available, who want to contribute, they're more than welcome to come forward and support. But nowhere we would want that their studies should get impacted. Now I'll give further directions that NSS students or the school students who are going to have exams can be avoided.
Ma'am, will they go to a door-to-door campaign or they
Not at all, not at all. So going door to door was the job of our BLOs, and who have already undertaken that activity in the initial phase of distribution. Now the next steps are collecting back the distributed forms, which we are doing through a camp model. So we are keeping camps, and people are welcome over there to come, take help in filling of the forms, in the mapping, etc. There our volunteers are helping in mapping, and more importantly in digitization. That's it. Thank you so much.